Hey everyone, today I'm here with my mother and we're gonna make for you her awesome bruschetta. And my mother said to me, make sure you tell them that it's not bruschetta as commonly pronounced in America with that SH. It's bruschetta, okay? So we're gonna get everything all ready and when we come back, my mother and I are gonna bring you her fantastic bruschetta. All right, everyone, we're back. And it looks like we have a visitor. That's my parents' dog, Abby. She's a rescue dog from Texas. They've had her, almost 9 years. They got her when she was a puppy. They brought her up from Texas. They drove down to Connecticut and picked her up. She was a black lab rescue. So she's our guest star for today. This is 3 vine-ripened tomatoes, okay, chopped. This is 1/2 of a red onion, finely chopped. I would say that's probably about 3/4 of a cup of ripened basil and 3/4 of a cup of fresh chopped parsley. Of course, we got the Tin Man olive oil container. We have some citrus balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now I'm going to turn it over to my mother, and she's going to mix it all up for us.
Okay.
All right, Ma, take it away.
So we're going to put the onion in.
You give them to me when they're dirty, and
Yep.
I'll get them there. Bang.
And we're going to
Nice.
put the basil, or as in Italian they say basilico. And parsley in Italian is prezzemolo. And we're going to mix this all nice.
You want me to start hitting you with salt and pepper on the other side?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
guys. So I'm going to start with some salt. It's not too much, you know, the blood pressure. Right,
Yeah,
start right there.
that's good.
Pasta. I got the abasta.
That means enough. Basta.
And we'll hit some black pepper.
Good.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Garlic
And some
powder.
garlic powder.
Good.
Okay, basta.
Yeah.
Now.
Now we're going to put a little bit of this nice balsamic.
This is citrus balsamic. Oh, look how gooey it is, guys. Nice.
All right, good.
And you know, this is one of those recipes where how much is it? Well, it's about that much.
Yep.
You know?
Now a little bit of oil.
A little bit of the Tin Man.
Good.
There you go.
Now we're going to taste. Get the spoon.
Get the spoons.
Aside.
Get the spoons. All right, here we go.
Taste. See how it is. Let's see.
You go first. Mom always goes first.
Perfect.
Yeah? Perfection on the first shot?
Delicious.
Let's see.
That citrus balsamic has a little bit of sweetness, and it's just perfect with the olive oil and the garlic and a little bit of onion and
Wow.
the prezzemolo and the basilico. Perfect. Okay.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up. We're going to come back. We're going to show you how to prep your bread, and we'll get it in the oven for our fantastic bruschetta. All right, everyone. Here we are with our French bread, okay? And first thing I like to do is I like to cut off that heel.
That heel's mine.
Okay, there you go. And now we cut in diagonal like that and get our nice shapes for our bruschetta. Nice. Okay. There you go. Always good to have a nice bread knife on hand so you're not killing your bread.
One more
Okay.
after that.
One more after
Yeah,
this?
Good.
Okay. Now,
Good.
what I'm going to do, let me take this.
Yep.
Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit these with a drizzle. Alright? Just a little drizzle. And on half of them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some shredded mozzarella. Some people like it, some people don't. I'm going to give it to you both ways. Right? A little mozzarella on half, a little more. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees. Quick, 5-6 minutes. We'll be back. All right, everyone. We're out of the oven, nice and toasty. And my mother, she's going to put that bruschetta on top. Oh. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get all these filled I'm gonna plate them up, and when we come back, we're gonna give you that final product. Nice. All right, everyone. Here's that final product that I love to give you so much. I did hit this with a little drizzle of balsamic glaze. Gives it just that little bit of sweetness. But I'll tell you what, your family is gonna love this, just like our family does. You ready, Ma?
I'm ready.
All right,
Yeah.
here we go. Ooh. Guys, that's so good. I gotta go in one more time.
It's delicious. It's like dying and going to heaven. Ah.
Your family is gonna love this. On a nice summer afternoon, on the weekend, out on the deck. Oh, there's nothing better. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I certainly hope you enjoy your bruschetta. If you like this, give it that thumbs up. And until next time, don't forget to live, laugh, and cook Italian.